So as you guys maybe already could guess, we're on a little trip. I'm planning on filming a lot of videos. I brought a big bag of spray paint. I think I've brought like 50 or 55 cans. And this is the first bag for the first spot. It's so hard to get your bag. So it's super windy, it's super cold, but that's the first place where we're going. So So that's all I'm gonna show you guys. If you want to see the rest of the video, yeah, then you have to check the next video that's coming. So we just checked in and it should be on the second floor. This one is ours. So this is where we're staying the next couple of days. We're with the two of us. I'm just gonna claim this bed then. Well, we even got a fancy TV. Nah, it's just a small one. Not planning on watching any TV. Just film some nice graffiti videos. And I guess this is the bathroom. Toilet. Sink. Mirror. And a shower. So for those who have been checking my live stream on Instagram, you already know that I'm in this building. Before I was here without the bags, now I brought two big bags of paint. I already used this one, so I already did one big piece and I'm planning on doing another one. So keep your eyes open for those videos and they'll be dropping soon on the channel and we're gonna have some more fun today. Finally back. So the building should be over here somewhere. Is this the first one already? Oh yeah, it should be here. Yeah, definitely. And here should be more buildings. Oh, what the fuck? Gypsies. Okay, I didn't expect to have gypsies on the spot. Wait, let's turn around. So we decided to still go to the buildings. We got like three options. The first one is that they're gonna rob us and hopefully this is not gonna happen. The second one is just to go paint and see what their reaction will be. And the third option, and that's the one that I prefer, is to just go inside and hopefully we run into someone and he's gonna say it's okay. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what will happen. Hey man, give me the camera, give me the camera. Wait, check this. You have to see this. This is the building. It's completely fucked up. And it almost looks like they're using this building as their toilet. Do you see that? Just toilet paper everywhere. You're in front. That's fucking disgusting. Oh damn. Should be it, right? Sitting okay? Yeah, nice. So a little recap about today. Even though the gypsies were living there, they didn't have any trouble with us painting over there. While we were standing in one of those buildings, one of the guys entered and we said hi to him, we tried to talk to him, and we asked him if it was okay if we started painting over there, and he reacted like, no problem guys, just do whatever you guys want. So we did a couple of pieces, we recorded a couple of videos, we got a couple of more planned for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day of our trip, so let's jump forward till tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Just another rainy day. So this is the last day of our trip. It's the 4th day, and so far we only had one day that it was dry. So around the corner there should be an abandoned building. Let's go check it out. Hopefully there are a lot of spots, because I'm planning on filming a couple more videos. I want to record like 2 videos in this building and maybe check out another place if we still have enough time. So this building is completely destroyed as well, just like almost every other building that we've been visiting. Oh, looks like we can go in here. Yeah, no one? Oh, just another dump. Oh wow. Looks like this building has been on fire. There's a lot of burnt wood over here. Oh wow. Not sure what's going on over here, but they put a lot of small walls. Ah, now I see what they're doing over here. There are like these small plastic balls everywhere, so I guess they're playing airsoft. Yep, let's color this place up, and yeah, we're not the first ones, but let's make it even a better place for these guys. Oh, hi guys. The video of the little road trip that you've just been watching is from a while ago. And we ended up filming 10 videos in total, which will all drop in the next weeks. The last month I haven't been uploading as I had a busy month, and I've been taking some time to reflect on the channel. Last year I uploaded 38 videos, had more than 4 million views and gained almost 50k subscribers. But there are also some things where I were not that happy about. I still owe you guys the Q&A, the 50k subscriber special, and I had a big gaps of not uploading any videos. Running a YouTube channel and staying consistent can be really hard sometimes. So the first things where I'll be working on is staying consistent. The goal is to upload every Saturday, and I don't allow myself to upload more than 1 video a week until I have at least 5 videos ready. So once I upload more than 1 video a week, you know for sure there's a lot more to come. The second goal is to produce the videos that I still owe you guys. I already recorded the 50k special videos, and here is a little spoiler for those who can't wait. What about the Q&A? That one will follow as soon as possible. In 2020 there are a couple of things that I like to do, a little bit different from last year. First, invite and follow more graffiti riders. I really enjoy filming other graffiti riders and take pictures of them as well. I really don't want this channel to be all about me. There are so many good graffiti artists out there that simply don't get the exposure they deserve. Over all the years that I've been into graffiti, graffiti did a lot for me. So this is my way of giving something back to the scene. And the last thing that I'll change is producing video series. These series will be about all different kind of graffiti related topics. We haven't figured out which one we will create, but we are sure to check in with you guys before we make the first one, because we really appreciate your input. So don't be afraid to drop your suggestions in the comment section down below. And then in the meanwhile, I'm gonna dust off my cans and create some more videos. See you guys.